What's up, guys? Vulcan Trader here. Happy Sunday. Dressed up instead of shirtless today because I went to church, hung out with Jesus today. But anyway, I want to do a video on a great way to earn Bitcoin back on everything, the Fold card. And I got this some months ago, but I started using it more recently. At first I thought it wasn't a good deal because if you don't use it right, you don't get that much on it, but there's ways to get a ton of Bitcoin back on it. I actually just earned $100 worth of Bitcoin on a $1,000 purchase I just made recently. I kind of prepared for it, and I'm gonna explain the best ways how you make a bunch on it, and then I'm gonna put my referral link in here. So yeah, anyway, it's foldapp.com actually no, I'm gonna put my link in, so use my link in the description, please, if you could help me out with this. And so you earn Bitcoin on everything that you purchase. It's a prepaid debit card basically, but it has like an account and routing number too if you sign up for it and all that. But it's an app, and you spin a wheel that you get bonuses on. But how you get the most out of it, you have a daily spin even if you don't make any purchases, but they're not really that good. But if you make the purchases on it, you use it right, you can get a whole bunch back. So the best way is I used to buy Amazon gift cards because if you're going to buy stuff on it, I've got a Prime membership. If you're going to buy stuff on Amazon anyway, there's an Amazon credit card, but then if you earn Bitcoin immediately, it's better over the long run than getting cash back and anyway, holding it and get 5% back still, and then hold it in Bitcoin. And then you can get 6% back if you get a 1% daily spin. So, but as far as Amazon, it looks like this. There's a tab on here for gift cards, and then there's a section right here. It's only showing 3.25 in this picture, but usually if you have a balance on your Fold card, there's an option to get 5% cash back on Amazon. And then this is the daily wheel if you spend every day, and eventually there's one for you get 1% extra on gift cards. So you wait till the day whenever you land you spin it every day, and then you wait till you get the one that's the 1% added to gift cards, and then you can get 6% cash back on your Amazon gift cards in Bitcoin. And actually, if you remember to spend it every single day on this, was it 7th or 8th day, you get double the amount of whatever your daily spend is. So you could potentially even get 7% back if you happen to land that one on the 7th or 8th day, whichever it is. I always forget someday in the middle, but if you do remember to do it every day, then you do it that way. My kids love spinning it, so they'll ask a lot of times, and they think that's fun. And then so that's one of the best ways that you get good money. So 5% back on, or 6% potentially if you wait till you get the 1% daily spin. And then you get extra spins if you keep your daily balance above $1,000. So always keep 1,000 in there. And why that's important, they have a different wheel like every month roughly that you make spins on your purchases. And so if you're going to make a big purchase and you keep those extra spins saved up for the big purchases. So I knew I was going to be making a big $1,000 purchase recently, and they had this Japan Summer Games wheel at the moment. And so you go and look at this, figure out what the odds of it are. And so there's this one you can get 10% back. There's a 20% chance to land on it, up to $100 worth of sats. So how I got that was I kept my balance above $1,000, and then so I was getting extra spins that way, and you earn extra spins on the daily wheel and on smaller purchases. So if you you make a $5 purchase at the coffee shop with it, and you get an extra spin, don't spin again on that one. We save that extra spin for whenever you make another big purchase. But anyway, you get extra spins saved up for the big purchase. That way you can land the whatever the big prize is on that large purchase. And so get extra spins that way, and keeping my balance above $1,000 on the card, so that once I made that $1,000 purchase, I had like 12 extra spins, and so I just kept spinning, and like on the 5th or 6th spin, I got the 10% Bitcoin back on that purchase, got me $100 and of Bitcoin back, which was pretty sweet. And and they got other ones too. And you actually have a 0.0001% chance of getting a whole Bitcoin on any purchase that you spend on, which is like 1 in a million. So, maybe you make I don't know, what, 1,000 purchases or something over the year if you did use it, let's say. I mean, it's a decent chance. There's actually a guy on Twitter, Bobby Shell, that actually won a whole Bitcoin using the Fold app this way. And then, let's see. And then this one is for, cool. So you can recycle cash back on a debit card from the grocery store. So like you go to the grocery store, even if you're buying just one item that's cheap, it's because it's a debit card, they ask you if you want cash back at the register. So you say yes, and then you do the max amount, which is like $300 or something. And then the purchase on the Fold app will count as a $300 purchase. And then if you got, you happen to get a 10% back on that, and then that's $30, right? And then you just take that cash, stick it back in the ATM, recycle it back onto your debit card, and then, or your bank debit card, and then you can put it back onto the Fold card later. And so you can easily earn extra money. That was from American Hodl on Twitter. Give him credit for that. And then so do that. Sign up for the Fold card. Great way to earn Bitcoin. Use up my sign up link, and I'm still in cash. Any wondering what I'm doing in the market? That's why I haven't made any other videos. Nothing else to do. Just waiting, but might be back in even as early as tomorrow. We'll see. I'll make another video about that soon. But like, subscribe, hit the bell, and use my sign up link. Have a good day.